Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix your voice mod not working or relating to your microphone issues. Let's begin. First, open up or pull up your voice mod. So here, it's going to be the home page. I want you to click on the gear icon, go to settings, and you should be able to see what input device and output device you have. So make sure it's the correct headset you're using. You can click on the drop down if it's not showing up and select the appropriate device. Once done, click over here, all right? Turn here myself on. So you can basically check if the voice mode is actually working. If it's fine, then, or if you can hear yourself, you're good to go. Now, go ahead, minimize or close voice mod, go to your start menu and just type in sound settings or go to your settings and access the sound part over here. Same thing. You just need to double check your input and output device. So for the output, obviously we're going to select the headset you're using and input. Here, others might miss this. Make sure it's selected to voice mods, all right? Or click on the drop down, voice mods. And here, test your microphone if it's actually moving to the right side. This is your indication that your microphone is working. But since we are using voice mode, that won't really be necessary. But close this, go back to your voice mode. You can restart it. Everything should now be working smoothly. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.